Hello, this is Billy from Suzhou Hizar. Today I want to introduce our new machine, new bridge cutting saw for you. This is the latest generation. We improve a lot. First, you can see the cutting head. It's much bigger than before. You can put up to 500, even 550 diameter, millimeter. You can cut easily with 15 centimeter. Oh, this sponge, this bridge, also reinforced. So you can cut materials hard, quartzito, marble, granite easily. You can do a lot of things with this. Is milling head of 24,000 RPM. You can do a lot of things. You can do engravings. You can make holes of the countertop. You can put a sink. You can put milling. Also, you can make holes here. You can use, look. And all the supports are reinforced also. So to make sure you can run with high speed without any problem. So and also small detail, the camera now is 20 million pixels. You can take photo with high quality. And also the table now is 3.5 meters length and 2 meters in width. And we have a clip here to fix. We have how many? Four clips here with pneumatic to fix the slab, to make sure it won't move when you are processing. And also we have two hydraulic bomb. When you are turning the table, you have enough force. So, and what's more interesting is about this door. We call it security door. So you can protect people, your workers, with more security. And you can see some details. Very good painting. Just like the paint for car. You see. And come here, you see our computer. Very big computer, very beautiful, and with touch screen. You can see a lot of language for your selection: Chinese, English, French, German, Japanese, and also Spanish, Polish, Portuguese, Arabic, a lot. So you can put pen drive easily. And here, with some improve a little bit for your workers. You can put your design here, easy to check. Okay, and come here, we see our electric box. We are using the first line, a premium quality. For example, inverter. Good brand. This is from Taiwan, the best. And here we use Schneider, German one. So you can see cut gang. everything for your good cutting experience. I believe you will like it. Okay.